Hi students, now we are going to start exercise 1.4, question number 1. In question number 1 we have 10 sub-questions. The first question is 13 by 3125. This is the first question, 13 divided by 3125. Now this question says, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. See, these are rational numbers. Without dividing in the general regular long procedure, you need to find out whether they are terminating or non-terminating. The only way is to factorize the given number. In this case, let us factorize 3125. 3125. To factorize, let us start by dividing it by 5. 5 6 is 30, 5 2 is 10, and 5 5 is 25. It can be divided by 5 again. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, and 5 5 is 25. Once again by 5, 5 2 is 10, and 5 5 is 25. Lastly, 5 5 is 25. Now you can see 3125 can be written as 5 to the power 5. Let us write down this, 13 divided by 5 to the power 5. 3125 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Now this is terminating decimal expansion because in the denominator you have 5. For any rational number, if the denominator has 5 or 2 or both, in that case this fraction becomes a terminating decimal expansion. So you can write down terminating decimal expansion. Now let us go for question number 2. 2 is 17 by 8. Now this can be written as 17 divided by 2 cube. Again, in this you have 2 in the denominator. Therefore, it is also terminating. Now question number 3. 64 divided by 455. Without dividing this in the long division method, you have to factorize 455 and 64 to find out whether given rational number is terminating or not. Let us factorize 455. As usual, this number has 5 in the end, so divide by 5. 5 9s are 45 and 5 1s are. Now next is 91. It cannot go by 5. You try with 7. 7 1s are 7 and 7 3s are 21. So this number can be written as 64 divided by 5 into 7 into 13. In the denominator you have 5, but along with that you have 7 and 13. Therefore this is non-terminating. Now go for fourth question. Fourth question is 15 by 1600. Now let us factorize 1600. Let us divide 1600 by 2. 2 is 16, 2 zeros. Again by 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 zeros. Again by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 zeros. Again by 2, 2 1s are 2 and followed by 2 zeros. We can divide this number again by 2. 2 into 50 gives you 100. 2 into 25 gives you 50. And lastly, you can divide this by 5. 5 into 5 gives you 25. So you can now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 15 by 1600 can be written as 15 divided by 2 to the power 6 and 5 square. as we have 5 and 2 in the denominator, this number is terminating. Now let us go for fifth question. Fifth question is 29 divided by 343. 343 can be factorized like this. You have to divide this by 7. 7 4s are 28, and you have 63. 7 9s are 40. 7 is a 63. It can be divided by 7 again. 7 7s are 49. So the given number can be written as 29 divided by 7 cube. As we don't have 2 and 5 in the denominator, this is non-terminating. Now the sixth question. 23 divided by 2 cube and 5 square. This is the question. Now it is easy for you because they have already having 2 and 5 in the denominator and there is no working required. You can straight away write down it is terminating. Let us go for seventh question, which is 129 divided by 2 square into 5 to the power 7 and 7 to the power 5. Now again here there is no working required. In the denominator you have 2 and 5, but you have 7 also. Therefore this rational number is non-terminating. Now the remaining sub questions we can do in the next page. Next question is 8th question, which is 6 by 15. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and 15 can be written as 5 into 3. 3 and 3 goes, you have only 2 by 5. Now in this case 5 is in the denominator, hence this rational number is terminating. Now let us try the ninth question, and the ninth question is 35 by 50. Now let us factorize. 35 can be written as 7 into 5. 50 can be written as 5 into 5 into 2. 5 by the 25 into 2 is 50. You can divide this. The balance is 5 and 2. So you have denominator 5 and 2. Hence, this is also terminating. The last question is 10th question. It is 77 divided by 210. Now 210 you have to factorize. Let us try this way. Let us try with 2. 2 ones are doesn't go, and you have to put 5. 2 into 105 gives you 210, and this is now divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Further, you can divide this by 3. 3 into 7 gives you 21. So this given number can be written as 77 divided by 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. Even if you divide this 7 11 times, you still have 2 and 5 along with 3. Because of this 3, this rational number is non-terminating. Now we have completed question number 1 in the exercise on point 4.